Here are the top 5 work-from-home side hustles that you can start today to make an extra $500 per day. And the best part about these side hustles is that even teenagers can do them. These side hustles don't require you to leave the comfort of your home and are perfect if you're looking for an additional $100 to $500 per day. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. The first side hustle that I recommend is print on demand. So what even is print on demand? Well, it's where you create a cool design and then you go to a company such as Red Bull or Printify to fulfill your design. Meaning if I wanted to create a sick shirt to sell on Printify like the one you see here, all I would have to do is upload my design onto said shirt, choose the color, sizes, fabric type, and etc. Then, if a customer purchases it, the company would fulfill the order, and that would include everything from screen printing to shipping it out. One of the best things about print-on-demand websites like Printify is that you can sell your designs literally almost anywhere. This includes sites like Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and even Walmart, which is pretty crazy. So in terms of actually creating design, Canva is a really great tool to use. And guess what? Canva is also free of charge. And they even offer some t-shirt designs that you can use for your print-on-demand business. Although I do recommend creating your own original design. What's even better about print-on-demand is that it's completely free and you won't even have to deal with a physical product. So say goodbye to the piles of packages on your floor because print-on-demand takes care of that. It's extremely similar to the dropshipping business model. There's absolutely no reason to not try selling your print-on-demand products. The second side hustle that I recommend is to flip or resell items. All this means is that you find products for the low prices and then you flip them and sell them for the high. They can be used, they can be new, whatever condition that you may please. You can either do this at garage sales, stores, or places where you can find products for cheap. Or you can do this online with sites like eBay and Goodwill. Some of the most profitable products to flip happen to be Apple iPhone products, video game consoles, video games, and some vintage clothing that you may pick up at a thrift store or garage sale. But this is personally how I would find items. Let's use eBay for an example. In the search bar, search the item that you want. In this example, I'm going to use some video games. On the right side, select the filter. Select auction under buying format, and then in sort, select ending soonest. Here you can find items that you think you may be able to flip for a profit. After winning an auction, you would then sell it. I use eBay again to sell items and also Mercari. In my opinion, Mercari is overall a better selling platform. It has lower selling fees than eBay, and it's considerably easy to use if you're brand new to the online selling scene. I've had a lot of success flipping items, so this is definitely a great way to earn some extra money. The third side hustle is to sell your skills, specifically your social media skills. Literally everyone and their mom has some sort of social media, whether it be TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. Even though YouTube's more of a search engine, but I just consider it a social media platform. Many people just don't have the time or energy to edit their YouTube videos or even manage their social media account. That's where you would come in and fill the void. If you can edit videos, if you can create eye-catching thumbnails, or if you can edit a photo, this would be a great side hustle for you. Yes, it may take some time to build up some of these skills, but there are aspects of this that are more beginner friendly. One of which is being able to translate YouTube videos into multiple language. You can look for jobs on apps like Fiverr, Upwork, or even by reaching out to these creators via LinkedIn, Reddit. The demand for these types of skills exceeds its supply, so this is definitely a great side hustle to get into. The next side hustle that I recommend is to trade and invest in the stock market. But before we continue with this side hustle, I just want to make clear the difference between trading in stocks and investing in stock. Investing in the stock market typically means over a long period of time, while trading could be day to day or even weekly, which is why you may have heard the term day trading. You trade during the day. If you are a teenager, you can still do these trends, but you're probably going to need something called a custodial account, which is basically an account a parent creates under their name instead of yours because you're under 18. Besides all that stuff, though, why even trade? You can quite literally find many educational videos revolving around the topic for free. And if done correctly, you can make thousands in just a single day. A book I cannot recommend enough for learning how to trade stocks is How to Day Trade Stocks for a Living by Andrew Aziz. It provides value insights to how day trading works, what it is, and some strategies you could use. Getting into the stock market is as legit gets, so I 100% recommend getting into the side hustle, or maybe even turning this into your full-time job. It can honestly be both. Before I get into this last side hustle, please like this video and subscribe if you really find it helpful. And let's get back into this video. The fifth and final side hustle that I recommend is to start drop shipping. So what even is drop shipping? It's where you source a product from a site like AliExpress or Alibaba and you create a drop shipping store revolving around that product. Then you proceed to sell it on Shopify or whatever you choose. Once you sell, you just place the order from the source's website, and then you ship it directly to the customer's address. Dropshipping requires you to be 18 or older, but you can simply avoid this issue by registering under your parents, once again with your parents' permission. You can literally start it up little to no money, but it is recommended to start with some sort of little startup money. It could be $100, just something to get you up and rolling. Dropshipping sites like Shopify offer a 14-day free trial and offer tools such as Uberlo to help manage and find your products for your dropshipping store. Dropshipping can be highly profitable, making you thousands of dollars per day. That's a lot of money. But the main question is, how difficult is dropshipping? Personally, I would say that dropshipping is beginner friendly in the sense that just about anybody can learn. But there are definitely some drawbacks and difficulties when starting a dropshipping store. Making your store stand out from the rest, dealing with customers, and successfully marketing your store are all the hardships that you may face starting a dropshipping business. But success isn't something that's just given, it's something that's earned over time with hard work and dedication. Definitely keep this in mind if you do decide to do the side hustle. I would 100% recommend starting the side hustle. Crazy how much people have made. So if you've gotten this far, I'd like to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you feel as though you gained something valuable. And alright, I'll see you in the next video.